Let's discuss applications of electromagnetic waves, starting with gamma rays. We use gamma rays to look for contraband in shipping containers. That's because they are high energy, so they can move even through metals, allowing us to see the inside of shipping containers. Because they are high energy, we use them as well to treat cancer by burning tumors. Radio waves, on the other hand, we use them to communicate with cell phones, talkie-walkie, Bluetooth, transmit over-the-air radio and TV signals, among other things. Cell phone communication is sometimes listed as using microwaves instead of radio waves. And that's because the frequencies used lie right on the border of both types of light. For example, they are going to be somewhere here, the frequencies we use for cell phones. That's why some people prefer to call them radio waves, others prefer to call them microwaves. Okay, but don't fear the difference here, because if you are asked a question about them, the question is going to have either radio waves as a possible answer or microwaves as a possible answer, but not both of them. Ultraviolet light. We use it to check for counterfeit $100 bills, but we use it also to kill bacteria, destroy viruses and other pathogens. But it also causes skin cancer. We use it as well to sterilize water and medical instruments. Recently, we started using it to decontaminate wallets, phones. Essentially, you can buy an ultraviolet light device and you put your cell phone or wallet in an enclosure and you expose it to the ultraviolet light to decontaminate it. We use it also in humid areas, in humid regions. We use it to decontaminate the air in air ducts. For example, especially humid areas, it is used to kill mold in air ducts. Microwaves. We use it to transmit GPS navigation signals from the satellites to cars. We use it for satellite phones, and like we mentioned here, as well as cell phone communication. Of course, we use it to warm up food in kitchens. It is used in radar communications for the military. We also use it for police speed radars. If you get pulled for speeding, most probably the gun that was used to record your speed was using microwaves, and we use it in weather radars to measure the speed of weather fronts. Infrared light. We use it to keep food warm in fast food restaurants. We use it to study the health of plants with drone and satellite imagery, what we call remote sensing. Dead plants appear dark in infrared images. So if you have an image of a large field, let's say of wheat, and you find an area that looks dark, that will tell you there is a problem in that area and you have to go and work on fixing that. We use infrared for night vision goggles as well. That's because humans, animals, and living plants appear bright in the infrared. Because they appear bright in the infrared, that's the kind of light that night vision goggles allow us to see. Now, X-rays, we use them to detect broken bones and dental cavities. We use them to detect hidden landmines under the soil, detect hard objects in general and their soft matter, and we use them for airport security gates.